Hi, I'm Annie Fitzsimmons. I'm your Washington Realtors legal hotline lawyer, and this is a good news video. And the good news is that Washington State is back in business. Governor Inslee announced a 4-phase plan for getting Washington back to business, and many of our counties are already in phase 2. Many more are about to become phase 2, and the rest will become phase 2 just as soon as their health statistics allow. So if you're in real estate, what does it mean to be in a county that's in phase 2? Number one, if you're a commercial broker, it means you are back in business. Commercial real estate for sales, property management, leasing, all available in phase 2. Now, which county are we concerned about? We're not concerned for the purpose of selling property or managing property. The county that is relevant is the county where the property is located. So you might have a real estate office that's in one county, but the property you're selling is in another county. The county where the property is located is the one we care about with respect to the protocols that pertain to sales activities. With respect to sales activities, if you're in phase 2, as I just mentioned, commercial real estate brokers, you're in business. And again, for sales, leasing, property management, improved and unimproved property. Residential real estate, full services, improved, unimproved, sales, property management. Moreover, in phase 2, you're allowed to have 3 people on site at a time, and that includes you. So remember, in phase 1, you could only have 2 people, including you. Now you can have 3 people. So it might be you, an inspector, and a buyer. It might be you and 2 buyers. Whomever it is, 3 people can be on site during for property in phase 2, for counties with phase 2. You're allowed to have your signs professionally installed if your property is located in a phase 2 county. Some of you have been waiting 6 to 8 weeks to have signs installed on listed property. Get them installed. Call before you dig and get your signs installed professionally. New listings going forward, get your signs installed right away. And finally, the big news item with respect to phase 2 is that offices can reopen. Real estate offices can reopen. Designated brokers, there's a lot of protocols to meet in order to reopen your offices, but they're all manageable. You got to know what they are before you can manage them, but they're all manageable. And Washington Realtors is going to help you to learn what they are and also help you to satisfy them to the extent that we can. Washington Realtors is going to provide you with tools to help you meet the reopening requirements if we can do so. Check out the FAQs that are attached to this video. The FAQs identify many of the protocols necessary to open your office, and we'll link you to the governor's paperwork to help you identify the rest of the protocols. My dog is pretty excited about phase 2 as well. Finally, I want you to know that if you're in a phase 2 county, whether you're in your office or whether you're out showing property, working with consumers, either way, brokers are going to be required to wear cloth face masks or face masks going forward. And you need to encourage your consumers to do the same. Brokers, staff people in the office, all required to wear face masks. Consumers are encouraged to wear face masks. If you have questions about any of this information, please send me an email. Really, none of the new protocols are complicated, but there are a lot of them. So if you need help walking through them or understanding what you can and can't do, or understanding how to determine which county you're in and what the protocols are for you because of that, then send an email to me, legalhotline@warealtor.org. Thank you for being a Washington Realtors member.